The seventh commandment: You shall not steal. Do not steal. Stealing is taking something that does not belong to us. In the Bible, one of the major themes is that God wants us to be selfless. Selfless means that you think of yourself less and put other people first. To be selfish is to think of yourself and your own needs first. Stealing is one of the ultimate acts of selfishness. When you steal, you are saying that you deserve this thing, and maybe another person does not. Everything we have is a gift from God. If I take something that belongs to you, I am taking something that you got from God, which is a bad idea. A lot of the times when we are tempted to steal is when we think that the other person doesn't care about the thing we are thinking of stealing. But it doesn't matter if the other person notices if you stole from them, because you know who will notice? The one who gave it to them. God knows when you steal. God knows everything. He's always with us and watching us. When we steal, we aren't being grateful for what we have and what God gave us. We need to share the abundance of God's creation. We are called to respect what belongs to others and to be happy with what we have for ourselves, knowing that most of us have more than we will ever really need in this life. You shall not steal. This reminds us to thank God for what we have and to share what we have with others. So maybe you want to write a list. To write about what you are grateful for. Giving away. The opposite of stealing is giving away. So think of ways you can give to others who have very little. When we are selfless, we realize we have more than what we need, and we can share that with others. Let's be selfless, and grateful. The eighth commandment: You shall not bear false witness against your neighbor. Do you remember the story of the boy who cried wolf and Pinocchio? Well, let's be careful about the words we speak so that no harm comes to others as a result of what we say. Honesty. Honesty is really important to God. Telling the truth is simple, but sometimes we can be tempted to lie, especially when we are about to get in trouble. It's hard for others to believe you if you lie often, so it's better to always be truthful, because lying can hurt people. Honesty and truth. We are to be people who honor the truth. Jesus said, I am the way, the truth, and the life, which means that when we live in the truth, we live in Jesus.